What is going on, guys? Sean Boyle with Momentum 360. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my alma mater, Penn State University, and their virtual tour. Check it out. What's going on, guys? If you haven't yet, go to our YouTube channel, click subscribe, and click that little bell too, so you get notifications whenever we post a new video. You will be the first person to know. Thank you so much for the support, and now the video you've been wanting to watch. All right, gang, what's going on? Hope you had a great weekend. I know I did. So in this one, we're going to be showing you the virtual tour that UVisit created for my alma mater, Penn State University. So guys, I'm actually going up there to do a gig pretty soon with the Toll Brothers. It's actually going to be a little modeling group that we're going to be putting in a couple magazines, a couple traditional media outlets as well, but it should be a really nice shoot. So without further ado, all you want to do to get to the virtual tour is go to admissions.psu.edu/Penn State/campuses. There's a lot here. /University Park /park/virtual tour. All right. You guys can just pause the video and then check that out. So here is what we are going to do. So let me walk you through Penn State and its glory. So beautiful tour done by UVisit. Shout out to them. They do amazing work. So let's get right into it. The thing I like, guys, is they make you put your email in, and I like you won't judge if it's AOL. I might, but I'll just put my personal in there. And it's cool because now they have your information. It was a good tool. It's a really good tool. Interested majors. Let's do business. All right. From postal code. All right, whatever. Jesus, okay. Birth year. I'm a Cancer, if anybody cared to ask. What is this? Non-binary, third gender? Let's go with that. Let's mess up the system a little bit. White. Boom. All right, guys. So this is the Old Main. And as you can see, there's a little audio feature as well. There's a lot of awesome stuff. They have text right here. You can move as if you're here. So guys, this is Old Main. So Old Main, if you aren't familiar, is actually where the dean works, right? So the dean of Penn State, he is obviously the head honcho. So he goes in, works here. A lot of business meetings are done here as well. This is, in my opinion, one of the most historical places at Penn State because this has been around since the school was created in 1855. Okay, so really awesome stuff here. Let's continue to the Nittany Lion Shrine. We're actually going to go into one of my other favorite places. You guys have recognized this bad boy. This is the Nittany Lion Shrine. Thousands upon, probably millions of people at this point, millions of students have actually laid on top of this, sat on top of the guy's head, took pictures with it. I know I have it. This is just a staple at Penn State. And as you can see right here, you have the rec hall, which is right here. Then you have some dormitories. This is taking me back. Oh my gosh. I graduated last year and not going to lie, I miss it. I really do miss it. Even though I said I wouldn't, I do. Isn't that always how it works? So let's continue to East Residence. As you guys can see, this is more so a dormitory type of atmosphere. This is like a photo, so I can't do a 360. But to the left, these are where, for the most part, freshmen are. Let's creep over a little bit. So a lot of freshmen, sophomores live here. On a Saturday, you can see a lot of people getting banged up, drunk, falling over the place. It's pretty I mean, during a Penn State game, which I'm going to be going up there the 18th to see Auburn play Penn State. First big SEC team to play us in a minute. Hopefully we can pull it out. You're going to see people falling all over the place, pissed drunk, and I love every single second of it. It's going to be incredible. So let's go over here. We're in Pollock. This is where my buddy Chris, he actually used to live at way back when. So let's continue. So just going to East. So this is the pool to the left, and then to the right you have the I shouldn't say urgent care, but like student health, stuff like that. If you're sick, you can get prescriptions, blah blah blah. moving along here, you can see this is the, what is this? I'm trying to remember. Testing my Penn State knowledge right here. Is this the, I don't know what this is. And this is technically still Pollock, but whatever. Cool. Yeah, so this is the, oh, let me show you guys the hub. Forget about it. To the hub. So this is the hub. So this is where the Panda Express, this is where people do, you know, dances. This is where you'll see a lot of funny stuff at Penn State. This is where the Starbucks is. I would say a lot of people, I mean, everyone knows where the hub is, right? You have a grandiose lawn, which I really hope they included. So let's go into it. So I'll back up here a second. So there's TVs all over the place. You'll see students studying here on a pretty consistent basis. And then as you start to go over here, you see more lounge areas. And there's actually meeting rooms, as you can see here, 106 and 107, 110 and 111. I've been in there myself. As you can see, guys, going down here, you have the outside, which is nice. And then I'll show you guys one of my favorite places, the Creamery. All right. So the Creamery, guys, for those who aren't familiar, let's go back to the Creamery. Right here is some of the best ice cream in the entire planet. So Penn State actually has their own, you know, cows. They have their own cattle. They're a research facility. So they have a lot of different resources, shall I say, to help really emulate Penn State and make awesome stuff like this, like awesome ice cream, right? So you get pretty much anything you want. I've been here so many freaking times, but this is what the inside looks like. It doesn't look like a big bundle of joy. I mean, come on, this is just perfect. You can see the Penn State colors. You can get as many treats as you like. My favorites was it cake batter? Oh, it's so delicious. You can see right here, their mission is to support the teaching, research, and outreach programs of the Penn State Department of Food Science. So that's why, you know, even though it's under a department, it's still a lot of fun, and, you know, a lot of people take part. So next, let's go to the Schreier Honors College. So your boy wasn't smart enough to get in here, but all jokes aside, this is right next to, if you were to check out, this is just a photo, the street right here, this would be College Ave. So this is like the main Ave that people drive on. You know, you have all the bars, restaurants. This is really where people hang out at Penn State. So let's check it out. The Schreier's Honors College is for people who, I think they have hit a certain GPA and they're in the honors program. They got elected before they were an incoming freshman. So a lot of opportunities there. And then this is, in my opinion, one of my least favorite places, but it's still nice. This is the Petit and Paterno Library. So this is actually a great 360 view. I'll show you guys what all this is in a second. So this is the entrance to the library right here. You can see a lot of luscious flowers. This is a building. This is also a classroom. So let's go into the Student Health Center. So going into the library, this is what you'll see. Oh, I wish this was a 360, but on the left, this is the entrance to Petit. Then if you go straight, you'll hit Paterno. So yeah, going down here, this is where you'll hit Paterno. So I wish they wouldn't have done this. So you'll go straight and then make a right next to this photo or painting of Joe. You'll make a right and then you'll go up some steps and then you're at the Paterno Library. All right. So we're going to turn left, go into the Student Health Center, show you all this stuff. So the Student Health Center, I've been here a couple times. This is more so for like intramural stuff. You can see you have rock climbing. This is the IM building. A lot of sports, field house, recreational stuff. I was here quite a bit. Let's go to the Spiritual Center, which again, I wasn't necessarily the biggest spiritual guy at Penn State, but I'll show you guys it nonetheless. So yeah, this is the chapel, beautiful chapel. You can worship here on Sundays. Pretty much anything that you want to do, you can. I myself am a Christian, and to be honest, I wish I went to church a little bit more at Penn State, because I think the service would be pretty cool, but it is what it is. So let's go to the Arboretum. So guys, this is, in my opinion, one of the best spots at Penn State, simply because there's a lot of luscious flowers. You see grand waterfall, and it's just homey. It really is cool. I love this stuff. So go here if you want to see some awesome wildlife, flowers, plants, etc. A lot of nice vegetation. And then the granddaddy of them all, let's hit it, guys. We're going to go over to Beaver freaking Stadium. So this is where the Nittany Lions play their football. If you guys have ever been to a Penn State game, you'll notice two things, which I love. One, they prioritize student seating. And two, they don't serve alcohol, but they, at least in my opinion, don't really care that you sneak it in. All right, now, Penn State, if they're going to sue me for that. I don't really care. I've said a lot worse about them. So that's the cool thing I like about Penn State, Beaver Stadium. Penn State football, it's always been it's always been the crux of the success of State College. If the football team's doing good, the town's going to do good. If the football team's doing, I mean, people are still going to support them, but not as much as if they were crushing it and had a really great record. All right. So, hold yourself. This is a whiteout. I don't know when we were playing, but this is the second largest college football stadium in the country with a capacity of almost 110,000. So, the energy here is just insane. I mean, you can see there's 100,000 people packed in the stadium, packed to the gills, and they're all going crazy for Penn State. What can I say? We're the best school in the world. Sorry. So, as you can see, this is the Bryce Jordan Center. Moving forward, this is where Penn State basketball plays. This is also where people graduate. So, during COVID, unfortunately, I was not lucky enough to walk across the stage. It is what it is. But as you can see, the women's and men's play. I've actually worked out in this during gym class. So this is pretty cool looking rec hall. And then you can also see, if you go to this other hall, gym, nice 360. So yeah, it's cool. And then we have the Pilgula Ice Arena. So this is the ice hockey. This is where the hockey team plays. And yeah, that's it. So guys, I really appreciate you just being on this journey, taking me back through my days over at Penn State. We're going to hit Old Main again, where we came for the first time. And that's it. So guys, again, if you want to go to this virtual tour, check out my alma mater and where I went to college at, go to admissions.psu.edu/Penn State/campuses/University Park/virtual tour. All right, that's a mouthful. So just simply stop the video, type this in. All you have to do is type in Penn State virtual tour and you'll find this video, and then you'll find the virtual tour. All right. So guys, thank you so much. This was actually a pleasure to walk through my old alma mater. If you liked this video, if you liked taking a virtual tour of Penn State, absolutely hammer and smash the like button like you always do. Comment your favorite part. Was it the rec hall? Was it the Creamery? Was it the Arboretum? Was it Nittany's, not Nittany's, Beaver Stadium? Don't say the library, because I'll block you, but don't say the library. So, a lot of awesome things at Penn State. I hope you guys enjoyed my journey and enjoyed the virtual tour. So guys, thank you so much. I cannot wait to get back up here in 2 weeks' time, and we'll go from there. Have a great week. We'll talk soon. Bye.